Hello everyone and welcome to Drivenmad.
We're going to revisit, if you've watched the one that will have gone before this, which is us driving the Mini. We tested the safety systems on it, and we've done it before on this. We have. But the Mini taught us a lesson that this really doesn't work and it has to be us. Now,
it has to be a human.
It has to be close, so we want to give this a second chance because we've always been very disappointed. But the Fiat, which we may flick an insert in.
There's 30.
God, it's fast. Definitely stopped for this. The Mini didn't, but it stopped because it was seeing us.
Yes.
And we're going to now try this.
Yep. And we've never even had a warning on this.
No, we don't get warnings on this, but we do when we're out and about.
Yes,
because we drive so badly.
When we last did the test, we never even got a hint of a warning or an alert. So I'm intrigued to see if one of us standing a little bit closer makes a difference.
We'll see how it goes, and hopefully the light will improve. Because we got you the wrong way around.
Let's crack on.
It is 40 degrees.
Driver assistance.
I'm glad you know what you're doing.
And then we've got front assist, ambient traffic monitor system.
We'll have had full
advanced warning. I think we'll have it early.
Yep.
Display distance warning. No.
Well, we can turn it off, can't we?
Yeah, it's all. Yeah. Driver alert system.
We don't want that.
No, that's that. So
we paid for all the systems on this, so it should. We've always been disappointed because it was one of the reasons we bought the car.
Yeah.
That it would stop. So let's give it a crack.
Okay, so me and my mate here, we are preparing for impact because I'm not confident in the Tcross's pedestrian safety. So we're going to be arm in arm, me and my little fella here, and I'm going to be quite close to him. So hopefully the camera or sensor will pick me up on the car. That worked well, didn't it?
That just doesn't have it.
Doesn't do anything, does it?
You couldn't have got closer without me hitting.
Yeah.
And it's nothing.
Nothing.
Just got a little bleep at parking
yeah.
sensor.
So it's not even worth continuing, is it?
No. I mean, if I was heading to a wall, I'd chip my hand.
Well, yeah. Right. So what did we learn there?
Not a lot, really. So all we can assume is that this car will only do vehicles. It won't do pedestrians, and I think that the Mini says it does pedestrians, so we know that it does that. And the Panda that we had didn't really say anything.
Just did it.
But it just happened to do it, and did it really.
Yeah, it did.
It did it really well. So I'm slightly disappointed.
Yeah, and if anyone does know exactly the sort of ins and outs of how this works, and if it does do pedestrians or cars only,
we can't find out.
And we have had it once or twice do an emergency stop with another car.
No, it doesn't actually brake. Have we had it brake?
I've had it emergency brake with you and Mum in the car, but I think they just thought it was me doing some bad driving.
Yeah, true.
Well, I clearly was because it emergency braked. But yeah, so I've had it once. I know I've had it once, but clearly pedestrians it's not set out for.
Okay. So short and sweet, but it's
not that impressive.
You know, at least it's something to watch, and you can educate us, possibly, please.
Yes. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.
One day I'll change all of my wicked ways.